Sabaha everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is very unique and you probably already know from the title. We're doing another great, amazing giveaway with 3 other YouTubers that are collaborating with me on this. And the cool thing about this is yes, it is international and yes, it is smartphones. This is TK. Let's check it out. I want to start off by thanking Tech with Brett, Jimmy Promo, and Iluvtrading for joining me in this collaboration. Without them, I don't think we would have been able to put this many smartphones for you guys to be able to have an opportunity to win one of. Now, of course, up for grabs here are 3 different unlocked international phones, as well as that this giveaway is an international giveaway. The link for that will be in the description below. The first one is the OnePlus 6T. This is OnePlus's greatest device, the latest release of devices. Definitely a great design device, as well as a flagship killer specifications. We're talking about great hardware, great software. You're not going to be disappointed. Next on the block, we have the Honor 10. In my opinion, one of Honor's best designed phones for 2018. That Aurora glass on the back just changes colors depending on what you're looking at it, and the camera on that phone is definitely powered by AI, and you're going to enjoy that a lot. Last but not least, we're talking about the Galaxy S9 from Samsung, known for its optics, design, as well as internal hardware, definitely offering some of the latest and greatest that Samsung has for us in 2018. Now, as far as the entry and the period of entry, this is going to be pretty simple. Starting December 17th, today, you have 2 weeks to be able to enter into this giveaway, and of course, different points depending on the entries that you select. So very simple. The link will be in the description below. And again, good luck to all of you guys. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much for joining. And of course, good luck to you guys as well, as you should be entering for this phone or one of these phones because they're unlocked, so they should work anywhere in the world, and they're great devices from 2018. This is TK. I want to say thanks to all the guys, other channels that are joining me for this collaboration. I want to say thank you for supporting me and being here with the channel for so long. I'll see you guys in the next video.